It's a special area that has everything else you need for growing trout. Oxygen, temperature, the biology itself, all of it lines itself to trout. And that's the reason why trout does well. It likes cold area, lots of oxygen that is dissolved in the water, and it's a perfect growing environment for trout. We started at 6 o'clock, and right about now, which is around midday, we have done 16 times, and the truck is ready to go. It's because of technology. We use pumps, we run chutes, we run suction pipes, and that's how we do it this time around. We are in the climate business, so the climate changes every year. So every year you deal with different externalities. So you learn as you go, you adapt as you go. You can't say you master this thing because the climate is changing every year. All right. Sure. So what do we have here?
A fresh lemon on it, so yeah.
Okay. And your greens is what?
We have like a fresh baby spinach, fresh rocket, and cucumber salad.
Okay.